Episode number 426. Richilus Lolitos a paper, which D'Artagnan had generously relinquished. I am lost, said D'Artagnan to himself, and he bowed profoundly before the cardinal, like a man who says, Lord, thy will be done. The cardinal approached the table, and without sitting down, wrote a few lines upon a parchment, of which 2/3 were already filled, and affixed his seal. That is my condemnation, thought D'Artagnan. He will spare me the ennui of the Bastille, or the tediousness of a trial. That's very kind of him. Here, monsieur, said the cardinal to the young man. I have taken from you one carte blanche to give you another. The name is wanting in this commission. You can write it yourself. D'Artagnan took the paper hesitatingly, and cast his eyes over it. It was a lieutenant's commission in the Musketeers. D'Artagnan fell at the feet of the cardinal. Monseigneur, said he, my life is yours, henceforth dispose of it. But this favor, which you bestow upon me I do not merit. I have 3 friends who are more meritorious, and more worthy. You are a brave youth, D'Artagnan, interrupted the cardinal, tapping him familiarly on the shoulder, charmed at having vanquished this rebellious nature. Do with this commission what you will, only remember, though the name be blank, it is to you I give it. I shall never forget it, replied D'Artagnan. Your Eminence may be certain of that. The cardinal turned, and said in a loud voice, Rochefort. The chevalier, who no doubt was near the door, entered immediately. Rochefort, said the cardinal, you see Monsieur D'Artagnan. I receive him among the number of my friends. Greet each other, then, and be wise if you wish to preserve your heads. Rochefort and D'Artagnan coolly greeted each other with their lips, but the cardinal was there, observing them with his vigilant eye. They left the chamber at the same time. We shall meet again, shall we not, monsieur? When you please, said D'Artagnan. An opportunity will come, replied Rochefort. Eh? Said the cardinal, opening the door. The 2 men smiled at each other, shook hands, and saluted his Eminence. We were beginning to grow impatient, said Athos. Here I am, my friends, replied D'Artagnan. Not only free, but in favor. Tell us about it. This evening, but for the moment, let us separate. Accordingly, that same evening D'Artagnan repaired to the quarters of Athos, whom he found in a fair way to empty a bottle of Spanish wine, an occupation which he religiously accomplished every night. D'Artagnan related what had taken place between the cardinal and himself, and drawing the commission from his pocket, said, Here, my dear Athos, this naturally belongs to you. Athos smiled with one of his sweet and expressive smiles,